How to save a Word document in Google Drive. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to save a Word document in your Google Drive. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech tips videos. Firstly, if you're on a PC, then open a web browser, maybe that is Safari or Chrome. Then you can click the sixth icon or Google Apps icon at top right corner of the screen and then locate the Google Drive and open it. Or else, using the search bar at top, you can type in drive.google.com and press enter to access your Google Drive on your PC. Once you open it, here you need to click on New button at top left corner of the screen. And here you will get the option for new folder. Click on new folder and you can easily name this new folder like my document. Once done, click the create button and your my document folder has already been created on your drive. Once you have done that, you have to open this my document folder and you can right click on the empty space where you can search for file upload button and click on it. Then from your desktop or any other folder or file, you can easily get that Word document. So let's search for that and click on it. Now click open button and it has already been started to upload here. Once it has already been uploaded, you can easily right click on it and then you can open it and see the preview, or you can open with Google Docs and you can easily manage those Word documents on your Google Drive. So that is it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.